Hey, what's up, Sammy here. Today I will be unboxing the Kingsmith WalkingPad X21. Actually, I have reviewed the R1 Pro before and I absolutely love it. And you know, I use it whenever I have time, though at the end it ends up, you know, like this. But that's a good walking pad, a really good quality indoor treadmill. If I didn't use it, that's my problem. That has nothing to do with the walking pad. So in this video, we just unbox it and get my feet on it and, you know, tell you my first impression of it. Let's get started, shall we? First, we have the box. We have a silicone lubricant, power cord, an Allen wrench, a safety key, instruction manual, a warranty card, and a foam bracket. That's all the accessories. Let's just put it aside and check out the treadmill. Wow, this thing is heavy. Alright, so that's the unboxing. Let's just set that thing up. That's it. Alright, that's it. Wow, feels really steady, solid, well-built quality. And I think we are ready to go, right? But before that, I want to install the bracket first. Okay, that's it. And now let's just connect the power and get my feet on it. All right, that's it. Before you get your feet on it, you have to make sure the belt is right in the middle. You can start testing it a little bit, and if it's not in the middle as it's running, then you have to use this Allen key to adjust the hole here to make sure it's in the middle. For the specific method, maybe you have to go to Kingsmith official site, which I will link in the description. And once you've done that, you can finally enjoy your running on the treadmill safely. And this is the first time getting my feet on it. I just feel unwilling to step my daughter's shoes on it, so I'm gonna just take it off and run with my bare feet, and I'm gonna tell you my impression of it. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, 15 minutes. Wow! To conclude, 3 things I really like about this X21. First is ease of use and assembly. Basically, it's 100% assembled and it's ready to run. And second is its superb design and well-built quality. It folds itself twice, so you can basically store anywhere you want and doesn't take up that much space. It also has an innovative knob design here, so you can adjust the speed like conveniently, not like other treadmills that might use a remote controller, which you might lose. And the well-built quality, check out the aluminum alloy handle here, the base, the belt. I can run comfortably even with my bare feet, and that's really great. I like it. Third is intelligence. You know, it's smart. It got overload protection, children lock, and it also has a smart app. Alright, that's it. And if you are interested in this X21 treadmill, you can find the link in the description and get one from Geekbuying. And that's it. I'm Sammy. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Okay.